5. Pronounce the
Cameras
second
rolling.
word.
The Starliner.
Starliner. Thank you. Penmanship again. Okay, it has 2 motors in it. They're I-180 skid marks. And if you'll notice at the very top of the rocket, there's a small pod, like a little capsule, and that has an E9 motor in it, and it's supposed to ignite 6 seconds after liftoff. It has a G switch. So if both motors light and it goes straight up, 6 seconds later, the E9 motor should light and the capsule should separate from the main body. The main body has dual deployment in it, with a drogue and a main parachute at 500 feet.
Yep.
Is everyone ready?
Everybody ready?
Yeah.
Ready.
Get it correct.
We're go for launch.
All right. Hey, we quit working. Go CST 100. Test. What did I do? Stretch the cord too far?
It's working now.
Oh, there we go. Okay. All right. Away cell number 1, 2, 3, 4. Is that 5?
5.
Away cell 5. All right. Number 5 is armed. We are going in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Ignition. 6, 6. Hey.
Come on. Awesome. Where's the capsule
We'll change
at?
that to 4 seconds next time.
Yeah.
Capsule's over there.
Okay.
Nice dual deployment on the first stage.
And down.
And we are down.
Where's the
Good
capsule?
fight. Nice job, guys.